Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Bowling Green South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and a free Wi-Fi. Super 8 by Wyndham Bowling Green South. This hotel is located 5 miles from downtown Bowling Green and Western Kentucky University. It serves a daily grab-and-go breakfast and features rooms with a refrigerator and free Wi-Fi. Super 8 Exit 22 in Bowling Green offers spacious rooms furnished with a microwave and cable TV. Each room includes a work desk and telephone with free local calls. Guests of the Bowling Green Super 8 Exit 22 can swim in the seasonal outdoor pool. The hotel has a 24-hour front desk and free parking. The National Corvette Museum is 6.6 miles from the Super 8 in Bowling Green. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.